If you want to future-proof your career, AI skills are no longer optional. They're becoming a baseline requirement across tech, business, and even non-technical roles. The good news is you don't need a computer science degree to get started. Today, we're breaking down the top 10 most in-demand AI skills you can learn on Coursera, taught by industry leaders like Google, IBM, Deep Learning AI, and Wharton. This is Business Training Media, where we help professionals build job-ready skills with the best online training available. Let's get right into the list so you can start leveling up today. And as always, links to every course we mention are in the description. We're starting with one of the most foundational and valuable AI skills today, deep learning. Deep learning is the engine behind modern AI systems like image recognition, speech translation, autonomous vehicles, and advanced language models. If you want to understand how AI really works under the hood, this skill is essential. The deep learning specialization developed by Deep Learning AI. This course is led by Andrew Ng, one of the most respected names in artificial intelligence education. This program teaches you how neural networks are built, trained, and optimized, including convolutional and recurrent neural networks. It's ideal for learners who want strong technical credibility and are aiming for roles like machine learning engineer or AI developer. Next is AI literacy for professionals, and this is where many careers are heading. Google's AI Essentials specialization is designed for beginners and non-technical professionals who want to understand AI without writing complex code. This program focuses on practical AI knowledge, ethical considerations, real-world use cases, and how AI tools are applied across industries. If you're in operations, HR, marketing, project management, or leadership, this skill helps you confidently work with AI tools and communicate effectively with technical teams. It's one of the fastest ways to become AI fluent in today's workplace. Now, let's talk about one of the most job-ready skills on this list: AI engineering. The AI Engineer Professional Certificate by IBM is designed to help learners transition into hands-on AI and machine learning roles. This program focuses on applying AI models, working with real-world data sets, and deploying AI solutions in production environments. AI engineers are in high demand because companies need professionals who can move beyond theory and actually build and scale AI systems. If you're aiming for a technical role that sits between software engineering and data science, this skill is critical. Another rapidly growing skill is prompt engineering. Prompt engineering has become essential with the rise of generative AI tools like large language models. The prompt engineering specialization by Vanderbilt University teaches you how to design effective prompts that guide AI systems to deliver accurate, relevant, and reliable outputs. This skill is valuable not only for developers, but also for marketers, analysts, educators, and business leaders who want to get better results from AI tools. As companies integrate generative AI into daily workflows, prompt engineering is becoming a core productivity skill. If you're brand new to AI, one of the best entry points is Google's Introduction to AI. This course provides a clear, non-intimidating overview of what artificial intelligence is, how it works, and how it's used in real-world business scenarios. It's taught by Google and designed specifically for beginners. This skill helps professionals understand AI concepts well enough to make informed decisions, evaluate AI tools, and participate in AI-driven initiatives without needing a technical background. Now let's shift into generative AI engineering, one of the hottest skill sets in the market. The IBM Generative AI Engineering Professional Certificate focuses on building and working with generative models, including large language models. You'll learn how generative AI systems are developed, how they're deployed, and how they're used in real-world applications like content generation, automation, and AI-powered assistance. IBM designed this program to align with real enterprise use cases, making it highly relevant for learners aiming to work with cutting-edge AI systems in production environments. Closely related to that is prompting mastery for everyday professionals. Google's Prompting a Essential specialization focuses on helping learners communicate effectively with AI systems using structured, repeatable prompting techniques. This skill is increasingly important as AI becomes embedded into tools like document creation, data analysis, customer support, and decision-making platforms. It's a practical skill that delivers immediate value, even if you're not in a technical role. Now let's talk about AI leadership and product strategy. The IBM AI Product Manager Professional Certificate teaches you how to manage AI-powered products from concept to launch. This includes understanding AI capabilities, aligning AI solutions with business goals, managing data and model constraints, and collaborating with technical teams. AI product managers are in high demand because companies need professionals who can bridge the gap between business strategy and AI technology. This skill is ideal for product managers, business analysts, and aspiring tech leaders. If you're focused on executive-level AI strategy, this next skill is critical. The AI for Business Specialization from Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania. This course focuses on how AI transforms decision-making, operations, marketing, and competitive strategy. This program is designed for managers, executives, and business professionals who want to understand how to use AI as a strategic advantage rather than just a technical tool. Learning this skill positions you to lead AI initiatives, evaluate AI investments, and drive innovation within your organization. Finally, we have one of the most in-demand skills for developers right now: Generative AI for Software Development. The Generative AI for Software Development Professional Certificate by Vanderbilt University. This course focuses on how AI tools can accelerate coding, testing, debugging, and application development. This skill helps software developers work faster and more efficiently by integrating generative AI into their development workflows. As AI-assisted coding becomes standard across the industry, developers with this skill will have a major competitive advantage. Those are the top 10 in-demand AI skills you can learn on Coursera right now, taught by world-class institutions and industry leaders. Whether you're looking to transition into AI, enhance your current role, or future-proof your career, these skills are shaping the workforce of tomorrow. Remember, links to every course we covered are in the description below, so you can explore them and enroll directly. This is Business Training Media, helping you build real-world skills for career growth. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other training guides. We'll see you in the next video.